Hello, this is Angel Carrion, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to make your Google Slides presentation available to others. Now, the usual option to share our presentation is with this button up on the right, the share button, but we're not going to use that. Instead, we're going to use the option over here under the File menu. So I'm going to click on File. I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says Publish to the Web, and I'm going to click on that. Now you will be presented with these options, and go ahead and click down here so you can see all of the options. So if you want your presentation to automatically start and play, you would select this option, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave mine unselected because I do not want my slides to go from one to the next every 3 seconds or any of these other time options. I want it to stay as it is because mine is an interactive classroom. The next thing you need to do is click Publish. It'll ask you if you want to publish this, and you select OK. And it'll present you with a link. I'm going to copy this link, and I want to test it out. I found that the easiest way to test if something is working is to use an incognito window, which makes sure that I am not signed into any account. So I'm going to click up here on the right and click New Incognito Window. That'll pop up a new browser. I'm going to paste my website here and visit it, and you will see that my slide is available and ready to view. Now I'm going to choose this button right here to advance to the next slide, just in case you have interactive buttons or objects in your slide. And that takes me to slide number 2. Then I can click back to slide number 1. And that's it. I've tested that this works, so I'm going to close this window. If at any time I ever want to make this not accessible to anybody on the web, all I have to do is come down to the same option, File, Publish to Web, and I will click Stop Publishing. And I will click OK, and that removes that link, and my slideshow is no longer accessible. Now, if you want users within your organization to be the only ones to access this, you will click Require Viewers to sign in with their account. And that's it. That's all you need to publish your slideshow to the web.